Hi, Oliver. How are you? Here is Twinkle variations with stop between right before the 3. All right, so we're gonna stop between the E and the 3 when you're coming down. So you'll see. So here we go. T T T T ta ta. Ready? Go. Stop. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Play. One, two, three, ready, play. One, two, three, ready, play. One, two, three, ready, play. That's it. That's T T T T Ta Ta variation A from Twinkle Twinkle Little Star Variations by Suzuki. Okay, I'll be back with more later. Practice. Bye.